How to control the yield rate of customized CNC aluminum keyboard case machining. This customized CNC aluminum keyboard case has been very popular on the market in the past 2 years. I believe many people have seen this. This is a test for the strength of the CNC machining factory. It can make this CNC aluminum keyboard case without defects on the surface and machining marks inside. So we will consider from these aspects. First, the sequence of CNC machining. We have to think carefully about what to do at first step and what to do at second step. This is a challenge for engineers because it determines the machining time and the surface quality. Second, material properties and selection. We need to find a good profile factory to work with. Then we can ensure that there will be no sand holes on the surface. Third, surface treatment in the CNC machining process. Anodization details are also very important. The CNC machining factory needs to arrange professional staff to assist the anodization factory to control knives, knife point positions, sandblasting intensity, soaking time, and thickness. The above 3 points can ensure that the yield rate of CNC aluminum keyboard case reaches 98%. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message. Thanks.